Welcome back. After Prime Minister Modi paid tribute to Somnath Temple, BJP has blamed Nehru for distorting history. Sources have cited Nehru's letter and lens is on those letters to President as well as ministers. And sources have said that Nehru questioned the need for reconstruction of the temples. Mantris were discouraged from attending the event. In fact, DD was asked to minimize the coverage as well, and he also tried to downplay the significance of the Somnath Temple. He wrote several letters to the Chief Minister and President and also several ministers, and also wrote 17 letters opposing the temple. And this is what the Prime Minister also quoted in one of his blogs that he wrote day before yesterday, in which he mentioned that in 1951, during the reopening of the Somnath Temple, Nehru was not so happy with this event. For more on this, let me go across to my colleague Pratibha, who is live with us from the newsroom. But before I go to her, let's once again tell you the claim that has come in as far as Nehru is concerned. BJP has slammed Nehru for distorting the history, saying that there are letters to prove that he wrote to presidents, ministers and chief ministers questioning the need for reconstruction of the Somnath Temple. Let me go to my colleague Pratibha, who joins us live from the newsroom. Pratibha, take us through the details.
So, Akanksha, these are some of the letters that have been cited, and here is one letter which is on the April 21st, 1951. Here is what it goes on to say, and these were written and signed by Jawaharlal Nehru. It says, "My dear Nawabzada," and then after mentioning the broadcast, going on to say, "The story of the gates of Somnath Temple being brought back to India from Afghanistan is completely false, and there is not an atom of truth in it. This has been publicly denied. In fact, nobody knows if there are any such gates anywhere, and nothing of the kind is being sent from Afghanistan to India." And then there's another letter as well that has been mentioned. Again, this is another letter that has been written by Jawaharlal Nehru. And here in the letter that has been written to the chief ministers, it goes on to say, "I feel that in the circumstances, our radio broadcast should rather tone down the description of what happened at Somnath and not make it appear in any way that it is a government function." So these are some of the letters, many of such letters that have been cited by the BJP.
Absolutely. BJP has cited 17 letters, in fact, that Nehru wrote to the Chief Minister, to President and also ministers, discouraging them from attending this event. Stay on with us, Pratibha. I'm also joined by Pragya. Pragya, day before yesterday, Prime Minister also mentioned in his blog that in 1951, Nehru was not too happy with the reopening of the Somnath Temple, and now sources, in fact, they have cited 17 letters that he wrote to the ministers, chief ministers, discouraging them from attending the event. Take us through the details.
Well, you're absolutely right, and in fact, Prime Minister in his blog also, underlined the fact that former late Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru was not at all happy with the reconstruction of Somnath Temple. In fact, so much so that he also asked Dr. Rajendra Prasad not to be participant of any of such events. And in fact, he was very upset when Sardar Patel spoke about this renovation and construction. And the letters now that have come to light also speaks, volumes about how Nehru felt about the reconstruction and renovation of Somnath Temple. In fact, Mr. Nehru has also at one point of time said that we may not be looked very, India may not be looked in a very positive light, by the foreign countries and also many abroad. So that was the major concern of Prime Minister.
Absolutely, and that's a concern that Prime Minister has also raised. And in another 4 days, we're learning that Prime Minister will be visiting the Somnath Temple there, and all eyes will be on that. Thank you so much, Pragya, for getting us all those details. With this, a short break.